In this video, you will learn how to program your lock with the U-tec app. Pair the lock with the app. The first step is to download the app from the App Store. Once downloaded, open it and tap Allow Notifications. Before pairing the lock, you should create a new username and password, or log in if you already have an account. Also, make sure that the lock is factory default and your Bluetooth is turned on. After signing in, this screen will pop up. Then, tap the type of device you want to add, in this case, U-bolt. Tap Scan for Ultraloq. The available locks will appear in this screen. Tap Stop Scanning. Then you can choose your lock. Set an admin code between 4 and 8 digits and tap Next. Name your Ultraloq, then tap OK. Choose the direction of your lock and tap Done. You will see your new U-Bolt Pro added in your devices. To verify if you added the lock, tap the lock logo. You should see this screen. Tap the red button to open your lock. Now, tap the green button to close it. Tap Back. To make a full registration, you should add a fingerprint. Tap the user's logo of your lock. Select the owner. The owner is the person who owns U-Bolt Pro and has all the privileges. Tap Fingerprint, then tap Start adding a fingerprint. Lift and place your finger for 6 times from different angles until you see the 6 blue circles, and every number of the U-Bolt Pro is turned on. Tap Done. You have finished pairing your new lock. Add a new admin. Tap the user logo of the lock you will add the new user. Tap the plus sign. Tap User Type. In User Type, select Admin. Type the name of the new user. Tap Next. In this step, you will add the user's fingerprint. Tap Start adding a fingerprint. Lift and place your finger for 6 times from different angles until you see the 6 blue circles, and every number of the U-Bolt Pro is turned on. You also have the option to add a code the user will use to open the lock. Add it and tap Add Code. For app access, you will allow the user to unlock via smartphone. Tap Next. Add the email to send the invitation. Tap Next. Tap Done. You will see the new admin on the users list. Add a normal user. Tap the user logo of the lock you will add the new user. Tap the plus sign. In User Type, select Normal User. Type the name of the new user. Tap Next. In this step, you will add the user's fingerprint. Tap Start adding a fingerprint. Lift and place your finger for 6 times from different angles until you see the 6 blue circles, and every number of the U-Bolt Pro is turned on. You also have the option to add a code the user will use to open the lock. Add it and tap Add Code. For app access, you will allow the user to unlock via smartphone. Tap Next. Then, add the email to send the invitation. Read the options you will grant the new user and select them. Tap Next. Tap Done. You will see the new user on the list. Add a temporary user. Tap the user logo of the lock, you will add the new user. Tap the plus sign. In user type, select temporary user. Type the user's name and tap Next. In this step, you will add the user's fingerprint. Tap Start adding a fingerprint. Lift and place your finger for 6 times from different angles until you see the 6 full circles, and every number of the U-Bolt Pro is turned on. You also have the option to add a code the user will use to open the lock. Add it and tap Add Code. For app access, you will allow the user to unlock via smartphone. Tap Next. Add the email to send the invitation. Tap Next. Schedule check-in and check-out dates for the temporary user. And tap Schedule to schedule days and hours. Tap OK. Tap Done. You will see the new user on the list. Update and delete users. Tap the user logo of the lock you want to edit. Tap the user you want to modify or delete. In this screen, you can add a new fingerprint, update the password, change smartphone access options, disable the user, or delete the user. Pair Ultraloq bridge. When you plug your bridge, there should be a steady yellow LED light. If it's not the case, press the Wi-Fi icon for 5 seconds and plug it again. There are 2 ways of pairing the bridge with the app. The first one is: tap the plus sign. Select Bridge. Choose the lock you want to pair the bridge with. Tap Add Bridge. To connect your designated bridge, please unplug other bridges. Tap Stop Scanning. Then you can choose the bridge. Type the same Wi-Fi password your phone is connected to. Tap Next. Tap Next. Tap Done. Wait for 20 seconds until the LED of the bridge turns green. To double check if your bridge is paired, tap the settings logo of your lock. Scroll down and tap Paired Bridge. You have to see Connected and check that the Wi-Fi signal is good. The second way of pairing your bridge with your lock is the next one. Tap the settings logo of the lock you want to add the bridge. Scroll down and tap Pair Bridge. After this step, please follow the same instructions of the previous way. You're all set. You will be able to open your lock remotely. Activate Auto Lock. By default, your lock will auto-lock after 30 seconds of being open. Tap the settings logo of the lock you want to modify. Scroll down and tap Ultraloq. Adjust the time you want your lock to Ultraloq between 10 seconds and 5 minutes. Tap back. You will see the new time updated. Tap back. You're done updating the Ultraloq time. You can also enable or disable Ultraloq directly on your lock. To enable it, please keep U-Bolt Pro unlocked. Press number 1 for 3 seconds until the LED turns green. Then number 1 will blink. To disable Ultraloq, keep U-Bolt Pro unlocked. Press number 0 for 3 seconds until the LED turns green. Then number 0 will blink. You're done updating Ultraloq. Activate Auto Unlock. A feature where Ultraloq will unlock your door automatically as you approach with your smartphone. Tap the settings logo of the lock you want to modify. Scroll down and tap Auto Unlock. This feature uses your device GPS to determine that you're returning to your door. Tap See how it works. A radius of 980 feet will be set around your Ultraloq. When you leave your lock position at least 980 feet, Auto Unlock will switch to await mode. Tap Continue. Auto Unlock will unlock your door automatically once your smartphone is near your Ultraloq. Tap Continue. Auto Unlock needs permission to use your lock location. Tap Continue. Confirm your location. Tap Confirm Location. Tap OK. Tap OK. You can edit your Auto Unlock preferences if you tap Auto Unlock again. Tap back. You have finished setting up Auto Unlock. Change lock direction. Tap the settings logo of the lock you want to modify. Scroll down and tap Direction of Lock. Choose your installation direction to ensure the lock works properly. Tap back. Your new lock direction has been updated. Add smart notifications. This way, you will get instant alerts every time someone unlocks your door. Tap the settings logo of the lock you want to modify. Tap Smart Notifications. Tap Create a Smart Notification. Choose an event when you want to receive a notification between a specific user, the door is unlocked or locked manually, or the door is auto-locked. Tap Done. Choose the user from whom you want to receive the notification. Tap Done. Choose an option between Anytime or Schedule to get the notifications. In Schedule, you choose days and hours. Tap Done. Tap Back. You will see the new notification. Reset your lock. Tap the settings logo of the lock you want to modify. Scroll down and tap Advanced. Tap Delete and Reset. Confirm that you want to delete the lock and wait a few seconds. Now, your lock will be deleted from your devices. Go to your lock and grab the reset needle. Put the reset needle inside the hole for 5 seconds until you hear a beep. The LED lights of the outside and inside body will turn on. Now your lock has been deleted, and any fingerprint or code can unlock U-Bolt Pro.